Hi everybody, my name's Alana Jade. I'm from Brisbane, Australia. Welcome to Ella and Jade. And welcome back to Goldwell's YouTube channel. Today I'm here with the beautiful Lonnie and we're going to be showcasing the iconic Muted collection using Topchick iconic colours. So today I'm going to showcase a colour melt, so a beautiful transition utilising Lonnie's natural colour base here, and we're just going to beautifully transition some copper naturals into a beautiful kind of golden beige through the bottom. So we've gone through and we've used a combination of the 8KN, the 8GB and the 10GB. So through the top, I've just taken a diamond section. We are going to isolate that and I'll do that part last. So we'll get started. So we just finished up with the root application on the underneath section of Lonnie's hair. What we're going to do now through the mid-lengths and ends is come through with the same colour, the 8KN, but we're going to change the developer to 9% just to ensure consistency from roots to ends on this underneath section. So I'm working through this top diamond section now, and as you can see, we've applied the 8KN and the 6% through all of the root area on the top. We're coming through now with slice sections. The first section was 8GB and 9% through the ends. The second section is the 8KN and 9% through the mid-lengths and ends. To do the 8GB on the roots into the 10GB coming through the mid-lengths and the ends, so that there's a difference between the copper natural that's going to sit on the majority of the hair and then the GB result through the front. Alright, so we just finished up with the colour melting technique on Lonnie, and as you can see, we just love the results. This is probably one of my favourite things to do, transforming the hair using all of kind of the wonders that Topchick has to offer. So if you want to see more from the Muted collection, head to the Goldwell YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see you again.